Hi all, this is Dr. C. I want to welcome to the class. This is the climate part of the class for weather and climate. We're going to use the ESSEA middle school course materials for climate change. The ESSEA program was developed for pre and in-service teachers. It has funding from NASA, NOAA, and NSF, and it's developed by the Institute for Global Environmental Strategies. As you can see here, here's the website, and it's supported by 49 universities around the United States, including the University of Toledo. We're going to use the jigsaw pedagogy, and there's going to be 4 to 6 participants in each group. We're using the constructivist model of learning, which uses inquiry. As you can see, you start with a hypothesis, you start with what you know, you figure out what you need to know, you figure out how you're going to find out what you need to know, analyze the information, and then present your results. For this, we're going to use the spheres of the Earth: atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. The lithosphere is kind of the hardest one to consider because it's the hard stuff of the Earth, but it also includes soil. So that's where it'll be in this course a lot. The assignments are going to be on the ESSEA website. There's rubrics there that you're going to fill out. Read everything you can, and then view the plagiarism video that's under resources on the website, our website. To enter, go to this website, the ESSEA website. Your username is your first name dot last name and your email. Password is weather. We're going to do 2 events. Global climate change is the first event. We're going to see how the 4 spheres interact with the event. The first homework is Cycle A, individual. It's your prior knowledge. What do you know? How do you know it? And what questions do you want answered? And that's due October 7th by 11:59 p.m. That's worth 20 points. The second assignment is your team sphere study for Cycle A. You're going to work in your sphere teams, and I'll show you in a second who you're on a team with. You're going to make linkages between the event and the sphere. And in this example, atmosphere equals A, and it's due October 14th. Here are the sphere people who are on the spheres, and you're going to work in your groups on the discussion board on the class site, and then come up by the day it's due with your sphere study. Then your third assignment is your Cycle B event study. So you're going to look at how the event affects the cycle, the spheres, and how the spheres affect the other spheres, and make these long causal chains. That's due October 21st by 11:59 p.m. and that's 50 points. Lastly, we're going to have a second event, and you're going to be able to choose which one you want between the Little Ice Age, permafrost, eruption of Mount Pinatubo, and thermal heat island effect. Alright, that's all for now.